Pretty sure kung magtanong kami sa inyo or magbigay kami ng survey, talagang majority ang magsasabi na you don't trust even the DPWH. Pero believe it or not, I mean, we cannot just, scrap off from agencies, from list of agency ang DPW. Who will be handling the infra if there's no DPWH?
Yeah.
I think the best course of action is for us to, I mean, let's take it with a grain of salt, but still, we need to give ourselves the benefit of the doubt na there are still leaders who can provide the solution in
Oo.
this kind of anomalies. I mean,
Yeah.
we just have to give our trust, at least to Vince Dayson, na
Oo.
he is the change from within.
Yeah.
Diba? He will
He's
start
leading
the
by
change.
example.
Yes, and ayun, I mean, like what I usually say, na yung leaders talaga, sila talaga yung kailangan natin. Responsible leadership is a must in order for us to achieve that the goal that an agency is aiming for. In this case, DPWH's goal right now is to clean the mess that was made, diba? And how is it possible? Of course, with the leadership, with responsible leadership.
Oo.
And that is a hope that we are giving to Sec Dizon, na sana ay talagang makita niya lahat ng mga hindi magagandang gawain at mabago natin ito.
Oo.
Right? Kasi alam naman natin na we cannot say anything to Sec Dizon. There's no news or anything that can be against Sec Dizon because he's just doing his job.
Dapat lang.
Like what
Oo.
everyone should do in the position of a secretary, of a cabinet secretary.
Oo nga parang partner yung nangyayari ngayon, nagpo-praise na tayo ng bare minimum.
Yes, and the fact that the blame was, is not against the former secretary DPWH.
Oo nga parang hindi nila
it's
binabanggit
just,
yung last sec diba?
Alam mo, ang galing niya sa part na yon na parang nawala siya out of the context na siya of those corrupt officials. Ngayon, the blame are mostly to Saldico and Martin Romualdez. But if we come to think of it, how would it be possible within DPWH to occur that much of corruption if it wasn't with the who was at the helm at that time?
Yeah.